This is my makeup of the day. I am wearing Primark foundation. What else? Elf concealer, the 16-hour camo or whatever it's called. Laura Mercier bronzer. My blusher is the peach one from L'Oreal. And mascara is Essence, which is amazing. You really need to try the Lash Princess. And lipstick Max Factor Bewitching Coral. I like this. So this is outfit number 1. We are going to move on to day number 2. See you later. So this is me before makeup. The earrings are from Primark. They were a set of 4 and I've shared them in my Primark haul before. And then I'm wearing one of my outfits. I'm wearing just a singlet on the inside. And then this white H&M little, it's very thin material, I'll show you in a minute. White little jumper. And then my H&M, what are they? H&M wide leg trousers. They're currently being sold at H&M. They're £20. The little jumper is like 8 or something like that. So I'm going to show you from the mirror side. So this is the outfit. These are the wide leg trousers. They're really, really wide. Sorry if my mirror is disgusting. And yeah, so this is my outfit before the makeup. I'm going to show you the makeup and then we'll move on to day number 2. So, as I said, oh, and I am, this is an extra large in wide leg trousers and this is a large. I think I could have gotten a large one as well. So, I don't know. This is a bit big. It's big here, the elastic band. It has an elastic band and I love that. Hello everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be 3 work outfits. Get ready with me. So you're going to see 3 of the outfits I'm wearing plus the makeup. And just so you know, I wear large, extra large. I'm a UK size 16. I'm 1.61 height. So yeah, that's the info you need. It would be great if you enjoy this video to give it a thumbs up, please, not a thumbs down. And subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. So I'm trying to grow and it's really hard and yeah. Or on my face at the end of the video. So let's start with outfit numero 1, or as we say in Greek, numero 1. Let's go. Primera, this is outfit number 2. No makeup yet. I'll show you my makeup look later. So today I'm going to go with a python, a kind of snake print. And because I wanted to tone the jungleness down a little bit, this is just a little pair of circle earrings. I think I got them from Primark. All these little dainty weird earrings from there. I tied my hair up. I have a little, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try. A little pearl bob. What are they called? A tie from Accessorize. And I'm going to show you my outfit. So the top is from H&M. I got it. It's on sale. It was like £4, which is a deal. And my wide leg trousers. I always wear wide leg trousers because my legs are swollen. So this is a size 16, again from H&M. And this was £35. Don't know if you can see it. I'm going to show you the front from the camera, from on my mirror. Now, the top is large. I am 161 centimeters tall. So, I'll show you. Okay, so this is my snake print. And I have a little bit of it tucked. And then some of it goes in the waist, in the trousers. And this is what it looks like from the wide leg trousers. And that's my outfit. I'm going to show you my makeup. And that's it for outfit number 2. Okay, so my makeup is done. The only thing I'm going to talk about is my lipstick, which is the NYX puppy love or something like that. It's like a powder cream and I like it. It's long lasting, so it's really good. And because in the UK it can be chilly in the morning and they expect 20 degrees today, I'm also wearing this cardi on top. I got this from Primark. It's very nice and loose and it has pockets. So yeah, that's the outfit of day 2. I'll see you for day 3, which will be the final one. Bye. Okay, so this is day 3. I'm kind of cheating because I didn't have enough time to film my work outfit yesterday because we had loads of work at work. So I'm just going to go into town, go to the bank and stuff like that. So I thought I'd show you my last outfit, which is more summery because it's warm in the UK. I'm not wearing makeup at the moment. I'll show you the makeup after. What am I wearing? So I got these earrings from Primark. They were like £2, something like that. And they're really, really light, so you don't feel them. I've got my hair in a bun because it's it needs washing and I'm going to wash my hair tonight. And then I'm wearing a little necklace I got, I don't know, years ago from H&M, but you find like little necklaces as well. I don't know if I'm wearing silver here or gold because I'm colorblind, but who cares? It's fine. Then I'm wearing a little singlet vest thingy because I don't like the girls to be out there. And then this, I love these Zara t-shirts. They're nice and soft and very flowy, and I've tucked it in a pair of trousers I got from H&M a couple of months ago. I really like them because they have this elastic band. They're really nice. They are wide leg. As I said, I always wear wide leg. I'm going to show you from the other side as well, the camera, so you can see better because you probably can't see that well. This is my Zara t-shirt. I think this is like £7 or something like that. These trousers I got from H&M a few months ago. I like them. The only thing I don't really like is that they go a bit bobbly. Anyway, but you can't really see it. And I'm going to put on my trainers, and a little bit of makeup. I'll come back and show you my makeup. Oh, I've mentioned earlier that I am a size 16. This is a large. This is an extra large. I could have gotten a smaller size, but I didn't. Made a boo-boo. So yeah. Okay, so my makeup is done. I haven't put on a full face because I don't feel like it. So I just put on my Clinique City Block SPF. It has a little bit of colour and a little bit of concealer. The, what's that called? The Maybelline eye eraser, whatever. I just put it on some spots. Lots of bronzer, a little bit of blusher, a little bit of highlighter, and Puppy Puff NYX lip powdery kind of thing. It's in a tube. It's really nice. I really like it. And hang on, my bag is from Primark. £10. I got one of these little, what are they called? I don't know. Anyway, it's nice. It's got a lot of space on the inside. I haven't put anything in yet. It does have a handle that's long and for crossbody or whatever, and then this one. The tie, I don't think it really works that well, but it does close if you put a lot of effort, but I'm not going to close it. And I'm going to be holding this. I'm going to show you my look in 1 minute. So this is my look today. We are holding the bag and walking around like this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these kinds of video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please don't give it a thumbs down. If you want to leave a constructive comment, that would be great. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. I need subscribers. I need to grow. See you later, guys.